How to unrestrict on Messenger. Follow this guide. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom and select Settings from the top of your screen. Now scroll down to the Privacy and Safety option and click on it. Inside the privacy settings, look for an option that says Restricted Accounts. Tap on that and it will show you a list of all the accounts you have restricted. These people can still message you but you won't get notified. If you see the person you want to unrestrict, tap on their name. This will bring up their profile and you will see an option that says Continue. Click on it. Then select Unrestrict. And just like that, they are no longer restricted. From now on, their message will show up like normal and you will get notification again. And that's it. You have just learned how to unrestrict someone on Messenger.